Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your guitar to a reliable audio interface and opening your streaming software. Set the sample rate to 44, 1K Hz or 48K Hz, and lower buffer to 128-256 to reduce latency. Once done, enable direct monitoring so you hear yourself without round-trip delay. Make sure your input gain sits below clipping while still loud enough. This gives clean tone and headroom. Next, add a clean die track and a separate amp or plugin track so you can blend wet/dry during the stream. Now you shape tone and control dynamics. Patch your amp sim or plugin, then EQ to remove boxiness and boost presence. Put reverb and delay at the end for space. Add a noise gate before effects to cut hum, and a gentle compressor after the preamp to even dynamics. Once levels are stable, create 2 mixes, one for your monitors and one for the stream, so you can emphasize different instruments. Make sure to test with headphones and adjust wet/dry balance so the guitar sits well in the broadcast. Finish by running a short 10-15 minute test stream and record a local backup to verify audio quality and sync. Watch for CPU spikes and disk I/O that cause dropouts, lower plugin count or freeze tracks if needed. Once done, make sure chat latency and stream bitrate match your upload speed so viewers get smooth audio. If you encounter persistent latency or dropouts, increase the buffer size or switch to the dedicated ASIO/Core audio driver. This usually resolves timing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.